Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. And in today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to add screenshot button to Samsung navigation bar. So first of all, launch Samsung Store on your mobile devices. Now, once you come here, go to the search bar and search for Good Lock. Make sure that you have installed this application. Then simply tap and launch the app. Now, once you come here, from these other apps given, you would have to download the application called NavStar. Once installed, tap it and launch the app. Now, once you come over here, make sure that the toggle on top is turned on. After this, go ahead and tap on New Configuration. Then, you'll see the option of button layout at the bottom right. Tap on it. Now over here, tap on the option of Add button. From here, go ahead and select the option of Screen Capture. Then tap on the option of Done at the top. Then tap on Save. So now, once you do so, you will successfully be able to add the screenshot button to your Samsung navigation bar. You can tap on it and take a screenshot easily. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.